This video explains how to convert a ZORN ZFG lightweight deflectometer (LWD) into a dynamic CBR device. Make sure that both your workspace and the ZFG parts remain clean during the installation. Now, the ZFG sensor casing, spigot, must be transferred from the base plate of the lightweight deflectometer onto the CBR stamp. The spigot contains the LWD acceleration sensor, which is required for the measurement. First, turn the load plate upside down so that the spigot is facing downwards. Unscrew the spigot from the load plate using an 8mm screw bit. Please put the screws and the spigot down carefully. Unscrew the spacer disc from the CBR stamp, also using an 8mm screw bit. 4 screws M8x16. Then, move the spacer disc onto the spigot and fix it with the M8x16 screws. As the next step, move the spigot onto the CBR stamp. Use the 4 M8x25 screws to fix it. The mechanical parts are now set. Before taking the first measurement, please change the device controller to CBR mode. Switch on the device controller. Press the mode button several times until you reach the settings menu. Press the OK button to proceed to the next level. Press mode again until you reach the type item, then confirm again with OK. Press the OK button to select the CBR option, then save your selection by pressing the On/Off button. Now you can start your dynamic CBR field measurements. For further instructions, please have a look into the CBR manual.